Still alive, staying alive.
Wait a minute.
Okay. But it's still cool or not?
Cool, and what is with the mad drivers?
A small paddle at the rear propels you along at a leisurely pace. So you still come across the mad drivers, even afloat.
Mad drivers?
To take it back on the track, we'll get back to back.
How you wanna build it?
Just straightforward first test, scooter, wood and bananas.
Okay. And it's easy?
Kind of, but I mean... The next version will be with aluminium extrusions that it fit on the end in one backpack. But this time, just wood and bananas. Okay, and some other stuff, but more of that soon. I will wrap the wood with gaffer tape, because it's simple and cheap and fast. For the first version I think adequate. And for the bananas, here we got the bananas. We got something like glass enforced tape and we'll wrap it around the wood. You will see later. Instead of wood screws, the next version will have some type of push or pull buttons and some screws for much more easy assembly. Action. Okay. That's looking great. When it comes to attaching the bearing blocks, there are commercially available bearing blocks, but of course you can work on a DIY solution, like with some clamps, some wood, or maybe you are good at welding. We will simply try to redirect the rotational force of the reel to the pipe due to a second reel or second disc, like you see if the reel rotates, also our propeller. The only thing we did wrong is the direction of the cut of the propeller. Long story short, I know not everybody likes 3D printing, but it's kind of magic, or not? So let's try that. Yes! 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 I know. Unbelievable.
Warning. Warning.
Ich geb Gas, ich geb Gas. Ich hab Spaß, ich hab Spaß. Like before, I glued everything with the 2-part epoxy. The nuts you see are normally used as rivet nuts for sheet metal. Hello! Voila!
Let's go.
Woo! It works! Now we take the scooter and let's look how these work.
Warning. Warning.
Ja, okay. I thought I just need to find the right balance, but look at these bananas. No, not there. Here. And then I realized no steering to the left anymore. The problem is the scooter goes forward and so it clamped. Oh, but let's hope I can repair it with some tape. I will drive back to our start point and let's see how it works this time. Okay. I mean, it's driving, but obviously it still got huge problems. I was so slow, I felt so stupid seeing people watching me. As if that wasn't enough, one friend arrived and starting laughing at me.
Bombe mit seiner neuen Erfindung, Bruder. Bruder, Thermodynamik stimmt nicht, gell?
There's beside the problem of producing a lot of drag due to sinking too much into the water with the small pontoons, another problem. One I overlooked the whole time. The connection between the wheel and the disc of the propeller shaft was slipping. After I tightened it up, it worked already better, but it still produced a lot of drag with one foot in the front. Now watch what happened after putting both feet in the back. Wait. Wait. Okay, I mean, if I keep balance. Wait. Now! Better pontoons, better propeller, and it will be much better. But it's such fun, it's so much fun. Cut! Whoa. Still alive, staying alive.
Okay, it's very cool.
Out of the way! I'm a mad driver.